pan wonders today, and I'm gonna make sheet pan lasagna. Have you ever made it?
Never.
It's gonna blow your mind. If you thought that Mexican rice dish was quick and easy, you will not believe this one. So I'm basically making the whole thing on a sheet pan. This is by no means an authentic lasagna recipe, but if you are just looking to get lasagna in the oven as quick as possible, this will work in a pinch. And besides that, it's delicious. Really, really good. Okay, so I put a little layer of marinara sauce in a quarter sheet pan. So this is half the size of a regular sheet pan. I'm adding no-cook noodles. And no-cook noodles are basically parboiled. They're boiled for about half the time and then dried. So they don't take much time to soften in the oven. And this way I don't have to boil a separate pan of water. So easy. I don't use these all the time when I'm making my regular lasagna. But again, if you just want to make a super fast lasagna, no-cook noodles are the key. So then ricotta. The first time I ever made this kind of really quick assemble in the pan lasagna, I was pretty skeptical about it. I was like, there's no way this is going to be good because I'm literally putting forth no effort whatsoever. But again, if you have like hungry football players show up at your house and you don't have time to spend making a big from scratch batch of lasagna, this is what you want to make. Okay, so after the ricotta, sprinkled on some salt and pepper, and then I have a container of pesto, which adds an incredible flavor to the lasagna. And I'm adding about half of this tub. I swear, when I used to use pesto, I would just add little bitty, tiny spoonfuls. I am so heavy-handed with it these days because I have learned that it's kind of one of those secret ingredients that you can put in soups or stews, and it just adds a really kind of mysterious wonder to everything. Okay, and then cheese. I'm using supermarket mozzarella, I call it, which is just hard mozzarella. And then granulated garlic, just to get that hit of garlic in there. And then for some spice, red pepper flakes. And of course, this could be just a cheese lasagna, but it's not. It's a meaty lasagna, and guess what I'm using? This is a combination of ready-made sausage crumbles that you can buy in the grocery store. Yes, that is a product. And frozen meatballs that are thawed and cut, like chopped up. So it's basically a sausage meaty mixture, and I didn't have to cook it in a separate pan. So then, I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna make a whole other layer, so I'll see you on the other side. First, half a cup of marinara, 6 no-cook noodles, the other half of the ricotta, then pesto, 4 ounces, 6 slices of mozzarella, a pinch of garlic powder, a pinch of red pepper flakes, the other half of the crumbled sausage and diced meatballs, and then to end and kind of create a top, I'm gonna add the rest of the marinara. So the lasagna actually has like 3 layers of marinara. It starts with marinara, and it basically ends with marinara. So I wanna spread it out just a bit. This is so fun. I love this dish. And then to really top things off, literally, I'm gonna add a pretty generous layer of Parmesan cheese. Oh man, this is about how much Parmesan I usually put on lasagna. Okay, so to bake it, I'm gonna top with foil. Boy, that is heavy. It's just a quarter sheet pan, but that's a heavy pan of lasagna. All right, so let's go to the oven. It's gonna bake at 375 for about 20 minutes covered in foil. And then I'll take the foil off and let it cook for another 10 to 12 minutes. I'll see you then. Get excited. Look at this lasagna, Alex.
Wow.
And you were just so filled with doubt.
I was pretty doubtful.
Never doubt your mother. So, again, disclaimer. This is not going to pass as like your Italian great grandmother's famous lasagna where everything is made from scratch, but we weren't kind of trying to go for that. It's kind of nice that you can whip this up so quickly, isn't it?
Yeah.
So just very generously sprinkle parsley all over the top. Parsley makes everything pretty. Do you think we should cut into this?
I think we should. I want to see what it looks like.
I think you're still kind of in doubt, and I want to prove to you. Oh, did you see that cheese?
Mm-hmm. Cheese bowl.
See if I can make this happen. Whoop! I need to cut.
Whoop.
Ready, set, whoop!
Whoa.
Oh, hi, lasagna.
Wow.
How have you been? So cute.
That looks really good. It looks like lasagna.
I'll bet it tastes like lasagna. It better taste like lasagna, or we're in trouble. That's pretty darn good.